Russian course, level beginner, lesson 7. In this lesson, you will learn how to understand which type of conjugation a verb belongs to. You will get acquainted with the verb's exceptions. You will also learn how to make a statement negative. This lesson contains 3 exercises for practicing. Conjugation. To choose a proper personal ending of a verb, you need to understand which type of conjugation this verb belongs to, first or second. To make the right choice, you need to know the infinitive form of this verb. The letter before the ending t of the infinitive form helps us define the type of conjugation. If before the ending t there is a letter e, then this verb belongs to the second conjugation. If a verb has any other letter before t, it belongs to the first conjugation. For example, number 1, верить, to believe, trust. The letter e goes before the ending t. Thus, it's the second conjugation. Number 2, помогать, to help. The letter R goes before the ending t. Then this verb belongs to the first conjugation. Позволять, to allow, to let. Here a letter я goes before t. This verb also belongs to the first conjugation. But unfortunately, there are some exceptions to the rule. 2 words ending it, брить, to shave, and стелить, to spread, for example, the bed sheet, you can find them on your left, belong to the first conjugation, in spite of the letter e before t. There are 2 more verbs that have it at the end, belonging to the first conjugation, but they are not popular, so you don't need them right now. Some more exceptions for you today. There is a list of 11 verbs which don't have the letter e before t, but they still belong to the second conjugation. They are number 1, дышать, to breathe. Number 2, держать, to hold. Number 3, гнать, to steer or drive something fast, or to make somebody or something do fast. Number 4, ненавидеть, to hate or detest. Number 5, слышать, to hear. Number 6, вертеть, to twirl or to spin. Number 7, смотреть, to watch. Number 8, видеть, to see. Number 9, обидеть, to offend. Number 10, терпеть, to stand or to suffer. Number 11, зависеть, to depend. To sum up, I'll start with the second conjugation. Verbs that have it at the end belong to the second conjugation. But there are 11 verbs which are exceptions to the rule, in spite of the fact that they don't have the letter e before t. They still belong to the second conjugation. If a verb has any other letter except e before t, they belong to the first conjugation. But there are 2 exceptions to the rule. Number 1, брить, to shave. Number 2, стелить, to spread. Pause the video. Tell which type of conjugation these verbs belong to. Be attentive with the verb's exceptions. The next slide will help you check yourself. Check yourself. Number 1, курить, to smoke. the second conjugation. Number 2. Ненавидеть, to hate, the second conjugation. It's an exception to the rule. Number 3. Учить, to study or to teach, the second conjugation. Number 4. Играть, to play, the first conjugation. Number 5. Брить, to shave, the first conjugation. It's an exception to the rule. Number 6. Отвечать, to answer, the first conjugation. Number 7. Смотреть, to watch or to look, the second conjugation. It's an exception to the rule. Number 8. Работать, to work, the first conjugation. Number 9. Читать, to read, the first conjugation. Number 10. Говорить, to speak, the second conjugation. Exercise 2. Pause the video. Tell which type of conjugation these verbs belong to. Then conjugate these verbs. The next slide will help you check yourself. Check yourself. Играть, to play, the first conjugation, because there is a letter A before T. Я играю. I play, I'm playing. Ты играешь. You play, you are playing. Он, она, оно играет. He, she, it plays. He, she, it is playing. Мы играем. We play, we are playing. Вы играете. You play, you are playing. Они играют. They play, they are playing. The verb смотреть, to watch, belongs to the second conjugation because it's an exception to the rule. Я смотрю. I watch, I'm watching. Ты смотришь. You watch, you are watching. Он, она, оно смотрит. He, she, it watches. He, she, it is watching. Мы смотрим. We watch, we are watching. Вы смотрите. You watch, you are watching. Они смотрят. They watch, they are watching. The verb курить, to smoke, belongs to the second conjugation because there is a letter E before T. Я курю. I smoke, I'm smoking. Ты куришь. You smoke, you are smoking. Он, она, оно курит. He, she, or it smokes, or he, she, it is smoking. Мы курим. We smoke, we are smoking. Вы курите. You smoke, you are smoking. Они курят. They smoke, they are smoking. Negation. To make a sentence negative, all you need to do is put не before the verb. For example, number 1. Я курю. I smoke, I'm smoking. Number 2. Я не курю. I don't smoke, I'm not smoking. The particle не in the sentence is pronounced as ни. Я не курю. Number 3. Я смотрю. I watch, I'm watching, looking. Number 4. Я не смотрю. I don't watch, I'm not watching, I'm not looking. Exercise 3. Pause the video and make these sentences negative. The next slide will help you check yourself. Check yourself. Number 1. Я не играю на гитаре. I don't play the guitar. I'm not playing the guitar. Number 2. Он не гуляет. He doesn't walk. He's not walking. Number 3. Я не верю. I don't believe. I don't trust. Number 4. Он не говорит по-русски. He doesn't speak Russian. He doesn't speak Russian. Number 5. Мы не курим. We don't smoke. We are not smoking. Thank you for the lesson. Please like, share and subscribe below for updates weekly. See you next time. Bye.